chairs and benches. Guess what? We're in Jamaica.
So Britts is in Jamaica right now and I'm super duper jealous. We're gonna compare the fast food in Jamaica comparing to the fast food here in Canada. We'll be going to
KFC and Burger King
and Subway.
Our best friend Kwana will be joining me to do the review on Subway.
I am really excited to introduce Kwana to the bench. Let's cheers to that.
We're gonna be talking about the presentation of the food, the taste, the wait time.
I don't know, fast food in Jamaica is lit. But we want to see if there's really a major difference or if it's just all in our mind. Britts will be eating the same exact meal as I am, and then you guys can tell through the camera. You guys will get to see if Canada fast food is up to par or if Jamaica fast food is leading or winning. We'll see who is winning out here in the fast food chains, alright?
Yes, so let's go. This should be fun. Okay guys, so I'm here at KFC and I am about to join the drive-through. Not really long today, which is actually surprising since I've been back. Trust me when I say that the drive-through is like you're waiting for almost an hour before you get to order. We're gonna be reviewing the difference between KFC here and the KFC in Canada, reviewing the wait time that we have in the drive-through. And you hear the horn? People here are crazy. They're blowing me. Anyways, so I'm here at the KFC drive-through. I think there is a huge difference between the KFC here and the KFC Canada, and when we get the food you guys will see. It's just been 3 minutes. I catch it on a good day, no? Sure, what's up? Sure. Two people are begging me right now. I'm being bombarded. No, I'm not smell him. I'm not gonna change in a moment. Here you go. This candle. I don't know. I don't have no more money, sis. This is all I have $50. So you don't want it. This alone I have to clean. Sorry about that, sis. Alright.
I'm at KFC. I'm at KFC, guys. Sorry for being a kid. I'm not sure. It doesn't have a drive-through, which sucks. Okay guys, so I'm at KFC. They don't have a drive-thru, so we're gonna go in and I'm gonna ask them for my chicken. It's gonna look like Jamaica, just trust me now. It's gonna look like Jamaica. I'm being hopeful. Alright, let's go. So they have a notice here, said for government. Are you in the line?
Oh, I've already ordered, sorry.
Can I have a 3-piece combo? What? Salad. Do you guys have biscuit? No? What do you guys have instead of the biscuit?
We don't have biscuit.
No? Yeah, it's like a small, what do you call it? Like a small roll or biscuit bread? No? Okay, so I'll have the buttery bread. And do you guys have spicy chicken? Barbecue chicken? So they don't have spicy chicken, they don't have barbecue chicken. You guys only have one flavor?
Yeah, original recipe.
original recipe is the only thing that happens in KFC here in Canada, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna order a 3-piece original. How much? $12.05. Okay, I'm gonna tap. So I'm gonna go with a 7. Generally, I don't drink pop, but you know, I don't have water.
Yeah! I forgot about this. This is something new. Hi, good afternoon. Can I have a big deal? Spicy, barbecue, and original. Can I have a bottle of water, please, instead of a drink? Can I also have a roll added to that? A roll, biscuit.
Anything else?
Yes. Can I also have a small popcorn chicken only?
No popcorn.
No popcorn. You have any wings? Hot wings?
No.
No wings. Alright, yeah, that's it.
9:30.
9:30. Thanks. Hi. Yeah. Alright guys, so it comes in like a nice paper bag with their logo on it.
This is the box, and you see KFC or you see PFK, because in Montreal, that's what KFC stands for. You'll see PFK everywhere in Montreal. Canada is half English, half French. Alright. And I'll show you guys some better pictures, but it's only original, as you guys can see. I'll take up a piece. So that's one of the piece. And then, I would say they're looking pretty small for a 3-piece. And it looks like it's for miniature people. You know, when you buy 3-piece at Jamaica, come and like say your belly, like say, I don't say I get a good meal, your belly is full. So the 3 pieces, all of them is like almost the same size. What they do instead of a biscuit. So in Canada, they don't have biscuit, so they give you a slice of bread. Like at a jerky I deal with at the side of the road with the chicken. Buttery bread. Very foreignish, right? So, mega do a taste test of this chicken. This one don't look too bad. So it's all original, as you guys can tell. And honestly, I go to KFC for the spicy chicken and the barbecue chicken, so I hardly go to KFC here if I was supposed to be honest. I'll take off this. This is just all skin right here. I want to taste the meat when I bite it. Yeah, so that's how the meat be looking. It actually don't taste too bad. It's original though, so you know how that goes for flavor. She gave me this barbecue sauce, so since I was asking for barbecue chicken and they don't have barbecue chicken, so I'm gonna put a little sauce on it. You know, typically in Jamaica we don't need to put sauce on the chicken. And people in Canada can't eat spices, or they don't really favor spices, so that's one of the reasons why KFC don't really bring spicy chicken.
Alright, so that wasn't so bad. Place order at 3:36.
Alright. So this is anything else in the bag? Yes, I have ketchup and yeah, fork and stuff. Alright, so this is our box. Alright. So this is the fries. My gosh, alright, so this is the fries. They're really nice and chunky. This is the roll. I mean biscuit. I keep calling it a roll. Right, this is a biscuit. This is their spicy chicken. Oh, I got a spicy rib. I might piece that. I always ask for rib. Original thigh. Right, that's how the original looks. Right. I'll just show you the spicy one. Oh, that look. Oh gosh, the smell of box me down. Real bad. Alright, and then you have barbecue. Give your barbecue wing. Ooh, people. And I like the barbecue. Alright guys, so that is the presentation. Alright.
Spicy chicken. Can you see that? It tastes so nice and fresh and fluffy. The meat here, the chicken here, guys, it tastes like natural. You can tell it's naturally grown. Moist. Oh my goodness. Now for the barbecue. This I think I missed the most. Right, so it was a wing. I'm gonna tear off piece. Alright guys, look at that. Look how it's juicy. No dryness now. Go on here, you know. The barbecue, oh, it tastes nice. It's such a nice, it's not too rich, you know. It's just a nice subtle barbecue, and the skin is not like crunchy or dry or anything like that. It's really moist. Forgot about the biscuits because this is never really something that I really ordered. Even when I was here, it is so soft, and oh, look at how soft that is. Light. It just melts into your mouth. It's fluffy and warm. Oh my, so good guys, so good. Okay, you can't really see. It just your mouth. Just Alright, we need some water. Alright guys, so that is that. Alright, come make a travel now. Put on my seatbelt because I don't want police to stop me.